Okay, so this is a second tutorial on importing VOB files into Premiere using the AviSynth import filter. This is a plugin for Adobe Premiere. I've been using version 1.5, so I don't know how it works with other versions. So you download this plugin from here. That enables Premiere to understand the AviSynth files. You'll also need AviSynth itself, which you can get from here. And you'll need first you'll need Microsoft.NET framework, which you can get off the Microsoft site, to be able to run MeGUI, which is a video encoding program. So once you've got all those installed, I'll show you how to use them. So what I've got here is a VOB file ripped off a DVD containing an AC3 audio track, and we're going to load up MeGUI. When you first install MeGUI, make sure you do an update, and this will also download other programs like the DG Index program, which we were using before. The problem we're having before was that the version of DG Index that I was telling you guys to use was not being updated by MeGUI. So this way everything's compatible. So make sure you do an update in MeGUI, and then after an update, you'll find in your MeGUI folder, if you go to wherever you've installed MeGUI, into Tools, DG Index, there's the DG Index program we're using before. So you want to load in your VOB file into DG Index. Now under the audio options, if it's using an AC3 track, you need to transfer it to a WAV file. Otherwise you'll need another plugin for Premiere to read it. If it has an MPEG audio track, then just use Demux All Tracks. So you go File, Save Project. This will create a D2V file, which runs through fairly quickly. Okay, that's done. We don't need DG Index anymore. Load up MeGUI and go to the AviSynth script creator and search your computer for the D2V file. Okay, I'll get that out of the way, and switch off resize. Make sure your aspect ratio is correct, and just save that. Call that Bungee. Now this is going to save our AviSynth file, so it will create an extension which is .avs. And if you've installed the plugin for Premiere correctly, it will understand this. So you just need to find your AviSynth file. So I've loaded up Premiere. I'll now be able to import the bungee.avs, and I should also be able to import the WAV file that it's created out of the AC3 audio track. Import those into Premiere, dump them in the timeline, and then you're able to do frame by frame edits directly from the VOB file without having to do any other re-encoding, which saves you a lot of time. Hopefully you don't have any problems with this one.